Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's DMW Automotive. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to see anything special, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Alright, here's the exhaust I went with. Don't mind it hanging down a little bit. There's a clamp right here, and I ain't got a short enough bolt, so I couldn't tighten it all the way up. I'll show you a picture of it, the box, when I get back home. But I don't like the sound of it. It's real raspy. So I'll show you real quick what it sounds like. I am up against a wall, so I might change it what you're hearing. It sounds good at idle, but at about 2,500 RPMs, it sounds like crap. It's real raspy and sounds like a rice burner. So I'll show you what it sounds like real quick. So I have a suction cup mount, so I'm going to drive with the GoPro on the back of the Jeep, but without the camera in it, it kept falling off, so I wasn't about to try that. So that's what that sounds like. I don't like it at all. And the reason why the exhaust is hanging down is I welded a little hanger on it. I just used wire to wire it up to the other hanger until I got a rubber one, and it slid out a lot. Then that bolt was not all the way tight. So now what my plans are is I have a cherry bomb. It's a pretty long one. I'm going to actually put that up front closer to the about through here somewhere where it's straight. There's no resonators or cats on it, so I'm hoping that helps it out a lot. I figure I'll give you guys a little sound clip before I hopefully fix it. This will I end up doing, I'm cutting that section out and welding in that glass pack, cherry bomb, whatever you want to call it. Got a pretty good weld around it, shouldn't leak. So now I'm going to slide this up in place and slide the pipe over the other pipe and see what it sounds like. There will be a leak, but I just want to see what it sounds like with no muffler on it. Sorry I can't get a very good angle. I'm down here at work, didn't bring a tripod, so I'm just kind of laying the camera on the ground. Now this is just that cherry bomb. Alright, so around 3,500 now, it sounds like a fart can. So I'm gonna throw this muffler right here on it since I already got the pipe weld on it. Actually, I'm gonna slide the super 10 up on there and just rev it up, see what it sounds like. Alright, this is the Flowmaster Super 10. Okay, don't sound terrible. Still got a little bit of a raspiness to it. We'll see what this one sounds like now. Okay, I got it up in there. I think I got my angle quite right. It's kind of off to the side some. Well, about centered up really. Might as well start out my hitch. I'm gonna start it up and I'll drive away again, go to the parking lot. Alright, I think this one we'll go with for a couple days anyway. I'll let you guys know if I change it. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like, subscribe. If you want to see anything more in depth, I guess you'd say, leave me a comment down below, let me know. And make sure you check out the next video.